OSHA has released an enforcement memorandum that provides temporary guidelines for enforcement of respirator fit testing due to the supply shortage of N95 respirators and limitations on the availability of employees, consultants, and contractors who normally provide training and fit testing. Inspectors now have enforcement discretion, such as not citing the business, for employers that have made a good faith effort to comply by completing the following. Use only NIOSH certified respirators. Inform workers that annual fit testing is temporarily suspended due to shortage or service disruption. Explain to workers the importance of performing a user-sealed check each time the respirator is put on. Remind workers that they should inform their supervisor if the integrity and/or fit of the respirator is compromised. It is important to note that the following still require a fit test. Initial fit tests for new employees with the same model, style, and size respirator that the worker will be required to wear. Follow-up fit test if visual changes are observed in the employee's physical condition that could affect respirator fit. For example, facial scarring, dental changes, cosmetic surgery, etc. Facilities are being encouraged to provide alternative respirators to employees using N95 masks to conserve inventory for healthcare workers. Thank you to GMG and EnviroSafe for this great information. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.